Imagine drifting through the universe, far beyond the glow of familiar stars, past the sprawling arms of galaxies. You're floating in a place so vast, so desolate, that light itself takes millions of years to cross it. No planets, no moons, no shining suns, just infinite silent darkness. But what if this emptiness isn't empty at all? Because the space between galaxies, this cosmic void, might be hiding secrets beyond our wildest imagination. To understand just how vast intergalactic space is, let's consider our own cosmic neighborhood. Our galaxy, the Milky Way, spans about 100,000 light-years across. That's already an incomprehensible distance. But the space between galaxies, that's where things become truly mind-boggling. Take Andromeda, our closest galactic neighbor. It's a staggering 2.5 million light-years away. If you traveled at the speed of light, it would still take you millions of years to reach another galaxy. And beyond Andromeda, the local group, a small cluster of galaxies. Then comes the Virgo supercluster, home to thousands of galaxies. But between these clusters lie immense, barren voids, some stretching hundreds of millions of light-years across. So what exactly is out there in these uncharted depths? At first glance, intergalactic space seems like an empty, featureless void. But modern science has revealed something astonishing. This nothingness is actually part of a vast and hidden structure, the cosmic web. Picture the universe as an enormous spiderweb, where galaxies are nodes connected by thin, invisible filaments. These filaments are made of something we can't see, something that outweighs normal matter 5-to-1, dark matter. We don't know what dark matter is, but we do know one thing: it's everywhere. Even in the vast voids between galaxies, it exerts an invisible pull, shaping the universe itself. But the cosmic web isn't just dark matter. Flowing along these filaments is intergalactic gas, a faint ethereal mist that spans light-years. It may be thin, just a few atoms per cubic meter, but on cosmic scales, it's enough to shape the evolution of galaxies. And here's where things get even more mysterious. Intergalactic space is not completely lifeless. In fact, it's home to some of the most mysterious celestial objects in existence. Rogue planets, entire planets flung from their home galaxies, now drifting alone in the cold void. With no star to warm them, their surfaces are frozen wastelands. But deep below, geothermal activity could sustain hidden oceans, and maybe, just maybe, life. Orphaned stars. Some stars, through violent gravitational interactions, have been ejected from their galaxies. These intergalactic stars burn alone in the dark, millions of light years from any familiar system. Nomadic black holes. Imagine a black hole, 1,000,000 times the mass of our sun, roaming the emptiness between galaxies. These monsters are the leftovers of cosmic collisions, traveling through the void, consuming anything unlucky enough to cross their path. But could there be something even more exotic lurking in the darkness? Recent discoveries have revealed that intergalactic space isn't completely passive. It may be charged with invisible energy fields, magnetic structures stretching across unimaginable distances. These fields create cosmic highways for one of the universe's most powerful phenomena: cosmic rays. Cosmic rays are high-energy particles, moving at nearly the speed of light. They come from exploding stars, colliding galaxies, and possibly even exotic physics beyond our understanding. But the real question is, where do they go? Some scientists speculate that cosmic rays could be signals from beyond, potential evidence of unknown processes shaping the intergalactic void. Could we be on the verge of discovering something truly groundbreaking? And if intergalactic space has energy, could it also harbor life? At first glance, life in intergalactic space seems impossible. No planets, no heat, no atmosphere. But what if life doesn't need any of these things? Some physicists have theorized that life could exist in forms we've never considered. Plasma-based life forms, entities made not of flesh and blood, but of electromagnetic energy, drifting along intergalactic filaments, feeding on cosmic radiation. Quantum life. If consciousness is linked to quantum mechanics, could complex, self-replicating structures exist outside the realm of normal matter? Extraterrestrial megastructures. Some speculate that highly advanced alien civilizations might escape their galaxies, constructing vast intergalactic stations powered by cosmic radiation. Could the unexplored void actually be home to ancient, spacefaring civilizations? We may not have the answers yet, but one thing is certain. Intergalactic space is far from empty. One day, we might not just be asking about the void, we might be living in it. As galaxies continue to drift apart due to the expansion of the universe, there may come a time when intergalactic travel is necessary for survival. Advanced civilizations, maybe even humanity one day, could build space stations and starships capable of harnessing energy from the cosmic web itself. If Earth becomes uninhabitable, would we send colony ships into the void? Would we become the next generation of intergalactic wanderers? The answers lie in the far future, and perhaps in the very nature of the cosmos itself. So, the next time you look up at the night sky, remember, what we see is only a fraction of what truly exists. Most of the universe isn't made up of stars or planets, but of vast, uncharted emptiness. But within that emptiness, hidden in the darkness between galaxies, something is waiting to be discovered. What do you think lies in the space between galaxies? Like, subscribe and share your thoughts in the comments below.